Imagine waking up in a world where humans no longer fight over power, where the planet itself is peaceful, and life feels balanced again. But today, our world is divided. Lines drawn on maps, and lines drawn between people. Behind governments, behind leaders, a hidden network of powerful interests pulls the strings. Wars don't begin because ordinary people hate each other. They begin because someone, somewhere, profits from the conflict. But what if humanity chose a different path? What if we remembered that we all share the same home, the same sky, and the same future? Today, we explore how Earth could be restored, and how peace, balance, and unity could become our reality. Most people think countries lead the world, but behind every government, there are influences and decisions we don't always see. These influences don't appear on TV, and they rarely show their faces, but their choices can shape the food we eat, the news we hear, and even the laws we follow. Money often decides which ideas grow and which ones disappear. Some voices get louder, not because they help people, but because they're backed by money. Sometimes, disagreements between nations start for reasons most people never hear about, not because ordinary people want conflict, but because certain groups gain something from it. To restore Earth, we simply make decisions more visible. Every donation, every influence, every major change open for everyone to see. When people understand how decisions are made, they stop turning against each other, and for the first time, humanity can choose cooperation over conflict. Imagine a world built around human needs, not around money. A world where food, water, energy, and shelter are guaranteed for everyone. Clean water flows freely, because every town uses advanced purification systems that turn rivers, rain, and even ocean water into safe drinking water for all. Food is grown locally in advanced vertical farms, so every community has fresh, healthy produce without needing giant corporations to control it. Homes are built using modern, eco-friendly materials and designed to last. Shelter becomes a basic human right, not a privilege only some can afford. Healthcare focuses on healing, not on profit. Medicine becomes accessible, affordable, and centered on the well-being of every person. In a resource-based civilization, engineers, scientists, and environmental experts help guide decisions, making sure resources are shared fairly and used wisely. When resources are shared, people no longer struggle to survive. Humanity finally has the freedom to grow, learn, and build a better world together. Our current education teaches memorization, but not understanding. To restore Earth, we reshape education to develop the whole human mind, heart, and imagination. Children learn how to understand emotions, calm their minds, and solve conflicts peacefully. These skills matter just as much as math or science. Every child is different. Some are creative, some logical, some physical, some emotional. A new education helps each child grow in the way that fits them best. Quiet moments of reflection, meditation, and awareness help students become calmer, clearer, and more connected to the world around them. Instead of memorizing answers, students learn how to solve problems, create new ideas, and think for themselves. When people learn to think clearly, to understand themselves, and to respect others, they cannot be easily controlled. An educated mind is the foundation of peace. The power to control energy is the power to control civilization. But what happens when energy belongs to everyone? Imagine rooftops designed to collect sunlight all day, quietly powering homes without fuel, pollution, or monthly bills. Cities generate their own electricity through solar glass, wind microturbines, and roads that charge electric cars as they drive. In small towns and villages, streams, wind, and sunlight create local energy in harmony with nature. For more than a century, inventors have claimed breakthroughs that never reached the world. In a restored Earth, no idea that could help humanity is ever hidden. When every home, town, and city can create its own energy, no nation has a reason to invade another. Energy becomes a source of peace, not conflict. Without burning fuel or poisoning the air, the Earth begins to heal. Clean energy brings back blue skies, clear rivers, and a stable climate. In a world powered by the sun, the wind, and the energy of nature, humanity finally moves forward without harming the planet we depend on. Humans are born on the same planet, yet taught to live in separate boxes, different nations, different flags, different sides. But when we look past the labels, we find something simple. We're all human. We all want safety, love, and a peaceful life. Kids don't care about borders. They don't see differences the way adults do. They remind us of who we really are. We celebrate culture instead of using it as a reason to fight. Humanity becomes richer when we learn from each other. Countries work together to heal oceans, restore forests, and explore space. The big challenges become shared goals. When we see Earth as one home, we stop fighting over which room belongs to who. We take care of the whole house. When old divisions fade, peace becomes natural. Unity isn't forced, it grows from understanding that we share the same destiny. Our planet has carried the weight of our mistakes for far too long. But nature is resilient, and healing begins the moment we choose a better path. Forests grow back when we plant new life where old life was taken. Deserts can bloom again. Oceans can become blue once more. Oceans begin to recover when we stop polluting them and start protecting the countless lives they hold. Cities transform into living ecosystems with green roofs, clean transport, and designs that work with nature, not against it. Wildlife thrives when we finally give animals the space, safety, and respect they deserve. Our past does not have to shape our future. History is a lesson, not a prison. We learn from the mistakes of yesterday so we never repeat them again. When we heal the planet, we also heal ourselves. Every choice we make creates the world our children will inherit. If you believe in a brighter future, in a world where humanity and nature live in harmony, join us, follow our channel, share this message, and help support this journey toward understanding, peace, and a healed Earth. See you next time.